How to delete iCloud storage on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to your Apple account. And then simply move into iCloud right over here. Now tap on the iCloud storage that you have used. Click on it. You will be able to see all the application that has been filling up the storage of iCloud. If you want to delete the iCloud storage, simply move into the application right over here. Let me move into FaceTime. Now click on Delete Data from iCloud and then once again tap on Delete. Tap on Permanently Delete. And there you go. The storage occupied by FaceTime on iCloud has been deleted. Likewise, you can go back and head over to iCloud Photos as well. If you want to delete them all, you can click on Turn Off and Delete Photos, and then the iCloud photos will be cleared. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.